one match which took place in March 2017 in the Champions League, Barcelona versus Paris Saint-Germain. It was in America, and in the first leg, Barcelona had lost 4-0. In the next leg, they had to overcome that deficit and need to score 5 goals to advance. And I remember me and my friends watching the second leg with not that much hope and belief. But the players and the fans in the stadium had immense belief that they could overturn that and make something happen out of nothing. And we were seeing that 3 goals came in 50 minutes. Slowly, the hope diminished after one player scored and made it 3-1, and then Barcelona needed 3 more goals to qualify to the next round. And time was running out, but that's when we realized that for the comeback story, maybe the comeback doesn't need to actually happen. We just need to give it our all. Like, for us in real life, when there's problems or we're facing a setback, there's gonna be a lot of friction. So that friction time, we just have to put in the work, and we won't see the results that time. But if you just work and keep continuing, then I believe the success or the comeback story will be seen after. And that's what happened in the case of Barcelona. In the 88th minute, they got a goal. It was 4-1. They needed 2 more goals. Then quickly after that goal, they got some hope. The fans started standing up in the stadium. And then after a couple of minutes, it became 5-1 after they got a penalty. And then they just needed 1 more goal. And that suddenly the impossible felt like it could be possible. And my friends and me were like standing up, screaming, just waiting for the 1 more goal so the comeback can be complete. And then last minute, 90 plus 6th minute, Neymar Jr., he went for the cross, long cross, and that cross felt like an eternity. The ball was in the air for so long that no one expected Sergio Roberto, least of any players who would score the goal. Sergio Roberto scored the winning goal to make it 6-1, and Barcelona qualified to the next round, completing the miracle. And we can learn many lessons from this. What we need to do is, there will be times when we will lose, we will be failing, and then we have to realize there's going to be any more chances. We just have to put the effort every time, and maybe even more effort each time, again and again and again. And we have to visualize that we're going to win and we can come back. We need the belief, the support system. For them, they had the 12th man army, which was the fans around the stadium, and I believe that really helped them score the goals and make the amazing comeback. Just like that, you can make the comeback in your life for whatever it is. Maybe your health, studies, work, business, because there's always going to be down periods, and those down periods are where you realize who you actually are, like how much you're willing to give to get where you want to go. And during those times when you have nothing going for you, when it's really painful, when you're failing, then you give your 200% and come back like nothing before. What you always need to have in mind is, you always need that belief. Like every single second you need that belief. Like 1 second, if you have a negativity, then a comeback would not be possible, just like in the Barcelona match. And that's why we always need that belief, no matter what. Even though it may feel like it's impossible, it's only impossible in your mind. But if you think that it's possible, it can actually be done. And that's what the greatest comebacks are made of, believing that the impossible can be done. And I believe that if you just have the self-belief and confidence to go through whatever's coming to you, the down moments, if you tackle them in the right way, then I believe you can accomplish the changes that you need to make from the down and failing moments. So that are some of the lessons. Never give up, always believe in yourself, and know that anything is possible. And I hope you guys learned something from this. If you found this interesting, please like, share and subscribe, and also do watch the highlights of Barcelona versus Paris Paris Saint-Germain, that gave me goosebumps. I watched it around like 100 times, and each and every single time it gives me the goosebumps, and that motivates me to maybe come back in my life. And I hope that also helps you. So bye guys, see you in the next video.
Neymar chips it forward and